If you love crocheting seasonal decor and adorable handmade projects, you're going to love this Easter Bunny crochet kit. Today I'm sharing the Easter Bunny Kisses crochet kit. This kit lets you crochet this colorful little fluffle of bunnies, 5 sweet sitting bunnies that are just perfect for spring and Easter decorating. The kit includes Mary Maxim Starlette yarn and the full pattern to make all 5 bunnies just like the set you see here. Each bunny sits about 10 inches tall, making them a great size for shelf displays, tiered trays, baskets, or even as festive gifts. This is an intermediate level crochet project, so it's ideal if you're comfortable working in the round and shaping amigurumi style pieces. You'll need a G6 or 4mm crochet hook, and some polyfill for stuffing, which isn't included in the kit. What I really love about this kit is how cheerful and colorful these bunnies turn out. They add such a cozy, handmade touch to spring decor, and they're also perfect if you enjoy making themed crochet projects for holidays. You can line them up on a mantel, tuck them into an Easter centerpiece, or use them as part of a spring vignette. They'd also make adorable gifts for kids, grandkids, or anyone who loves handmade decor. You can find the Easter Bunny Kisses crochet kit, along with other crochet supplies and kits, in the description link below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crochet inspiration, and let me know in the comments if you'd make these in different colors. Thanks so much for watching, and happy crocheting! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun craft ideas.